Good morning, class. In today's class of B.Ed second year subject Pedagogy of English, today our topic of learning is realia. So, what do you understand by the term realia? Realia जो शब्द है इसका अर्थ क्या है? Realia means that is real, something that is real, or real object or real thing. So, the real object or real activity or the activity that is related to a real thing of a real life is known as realia. So, if a teacher brings a real object in the class to teach certain concept, it is known as realia. So, now we will see realia refers to definition of realia. Realia refers to authentic objects from real life that one uses in the classroom to teach a specific concept. So, realia means refers to authentic objects, real objects of real life that one uses in the classroom to teach a specific concept. इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को पढ़ाने के लिए जब टीचर क्लास के अंदर कोई रियल ऑब्जेक्ट या रियल थिंग का प्रयोग करता है उसी को हम रियलिया कहते हैं. So we can also say that realia is something real objects or activities that are related to the real life. So realia means the activities in the classroom and the objects that are brought in the classroom to teach certain concepts that are being related to the real life are known as realia. Suppose अगर क्लास के अंदर अध्यापक जो है इंग्लिश टीचर इज टीचिंग द नेम ऑफ फ्रूट्स और नेम ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, he or she can bring the real objects, real fruits or real vegetables in the classroom like tomato or potato. Vegetables can be brought into the classroom. The teacher can bring tomato and potato and teach them the spelling of tomato and potato. Likewise, if the teacher is teaching the name of fruits, he or she can bring the real fruits like apple, pomegranate and other different fruits into the class and show to the class, and they can learn the name of the fruit very easily and they can also learn the spelling of that particular fruit. So it is helpful in teaching the vocabulary. It is also helpful real things to relate the things class teaching to the real life, especially the people studies. In this we can bring the photographs also. Any household objects can also be used as a realia for teaching a certain kind of concept. Suppose if you are teaching something about Sachin Tendulkar, the cricket player, the world famous cricket player of Indian cricket team. So teacher can bring the picture of Sachin Tendulkar and can show them or can teach them about the life of Sachin Tendulkar. So this is used to relate the things to the real life. That is known as realia. Now we will see some of the uses of realia. So, realia can be used for first one for presenting vocabulary पढ़ाने के लिए क्लास में realia या real objects को यूज किया जा सकता है. Second one for presenting new structure. Third one as props for dialogues or role plays dialogues or role plays. So if a scene is taking place in a shop, a lot of realism can be added if real money or real objects are used. So, real objects can be used for presenting various things. So we can say that as a prompt for presenting dialogues or role play, if a child or a students are playing a role play are being used, if their role is played in a shop, then as a realism, real money can be used in the classroom to show the use of real money for purchasing something, and real objects to purchase the objects that to be purchased can be shown to the class. So in this way, for dialogue play and role play also, as a prop, this real objects or real things can be used for various activities also for teaching a particular concept. So today we have seen the meaning of realia and what does it mean, and how realia or objects can be utilized by a teacher to relate the things to the real life or the classroom teaching to the real life. Now today your home assignment is you have to write a short note on realia. So for today your home assignment is you have to write a short note on realia. So as you know, COVID-19 pandemic disease is spreading very rapidly. So keep yourself safe from that disease. Stay at home and wear a mask whenever it is necessary or whenever you are at public space. So in the next class we will see the next thing or next visual aid that we have to learn. Thank you.